Welcome to a journey inside one of the world's most breathtaking luxury homes. This residence is more than just architecture. It's a masterpiece that combines elegance, innovation, and timeless beauty. From the moment you see its silhouette, you realize this is not just a house. It's a vision of modern luxury brought to life.
Where elegance begins, marble floors and golden doors, where dreams have always been. From skylines to quiet seas, behind these castle walls, every space a story, every echo has a call. In these walls of dreams we build our peace, with chandeliers and velvet seats. It's more than gold, it's where we grow. In every room our hearts will know that luxury's not just what we see, but how we live.
Every corner has been designed to inspire awe. The play of natural light through expansive glass walls, the harmony of textures, and the balance between open spaces and intimate corners create an atmosphere that feels both grand and welcoming. It's a space where design meets lifestyle, where art meets comfort.
Speaks with grace, the signs a form of living, it's love in every place. Life teaches slow like curves in stone, that comfort comes when hearts find home. No need for more, just space to breathe.
Once inside, the grandeur continues, from the perfectly landscaped driveway to the mansion's architectural details. Every element has been designed to embody both tradition and modern luxury. This is more than a house tour. It's a journey through refined living.
Luxury lives where peace is found, not just in mansions, in the sound of silence, stillness scented air.
This home includes a private cinema, wine cellar, infinity pool, home spa, and smart home technology throughout. The kitchen, chef-grade with state-of-the-art appliances and designer finishes. Bedrooms are luxurious sanctuaries, each with en-suite bathrooms and walk-in closets.
Luxury's life and so much more, so open right through open doors. Luxury's life and so much more. Step inside the light, where elegance begins. Marble floors and golden doors, where dreams have always been. From skylines to quiet seas, behind these castle walls.
If you enjoyed this glimpse of luxury design and dream homes, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to DreamHomesUSA Luxury Design. Share your thoughts below and tell us, would you love to walk through these iconic gates every day?